Megovonen. Welcome everyone back to the channel. As you can tell, I've been doing a few updates to my channel. I am now talking. I've also created a awesome new intro to my videos, as you saw at the beginning. I also have my Middle-earth map displayed here. I also have my Sauron figure there, and of course the One Ring sitting right there. So this is something I bought a while back on Amazon, The Nature of Middle-earth. When it originally came out, it was, I think, around $32, and then it dropped in price to about $18. That's when I like to buy them to save money. Get out my trusty pocket knife here. There we go. I wish they would wrap these up a little better. Several times when I've gotten a new book, they will just stick it right in the box without any wrapping. They used to actually wrap the book in bubble wrap, but they don't do that anymore. So here it is, The Nature of Middle-earth by j.r.r. Tolkien. Edited by Carl F. Hofstetter. Nice, beautiful painting on the cover. Looks like a city that runs up into the side of the mountain there. On there as well. So it's pretty cool. There's the spine. There's the logo of j.r.r. Tolkien. Let's open it up here. So as you can see, there's the original price, $32. I don't know if you can read that there, but this off. This is what it looks like without the dust cover. What's nice is this black with the gold letters actually match several of the new books. And no, this does not have any pictures in it. Well, it has, I guess it does have small pictures if I can find it here. But it does not have any Alan Lee paintings or any paintings like that, but it has these little sketches here. So this book reads a lot like the History of Middle-earth series. If you've ever read through that, it's very similar in read. If you are expecting to get a Hobbit-like or Lord of the Rings-like story out of it, it'll seem kind of boring to you. But it just has like general information about nature and landscapes and different peoples of Middle-earth. There's Galadriel and Celeborn, if you want to read more about them. This is a good pickup. Lives of the Númenóreans, Dwellings in Middle-earth. It's a pretty nice book. If you have this book here, Tales from the Perilous Realm, it is actually just about the same size as this one. And it is also the same size as the Children of Húrin, the Fall of Gondolin, and Baron Luthien book set that I have. You can check that video out in my channel. So if you guys would like to know more about this book, you can check out Nerd of the Rings review of this book, and you can also check out his interview with Carl Hostetter himself, and I will leave links to both of those videos in the description. I will also leave a link to this book for Amazon. Unless you don't want to shop on Amazon, you can shop on eBay. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Feel free to go subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you, my friends, and I will see you in the next one.